why your pork is never sweet and what you should do to make sure that your pork is sweet. So today in our ingredient we have kales, we have onion, and we have tomato. And today I'm also going to cook pork. This is pork or pig meat. Yeah. So I'm going to marinate this. I'll show you how to marinate. Then we'll start cooking right away. Stay tuned, stay watching, and be with me till the end. I'm going to marinate this pork, and then we leave it for about 5 minutes for it to saturate before I cook. So this I'm using a dark soy sauce to marinate. So make sure your hands are clean. Then after you add your soy sauce, you just mix them gently, slowly. Make sure every part has been covered by the sauce for easy cooking, and it will be tantalizing. You know, the best thing is that the sauce helps this to be soft, tantalize, and it catalyzes its duration of cooking, or cooking duration. So we're going to start cooking right away. I show you what 200 shillings can make for lunch. So today we are going to make pork with kales. So let's set the mood right. We want to set our meal, and I'm going to start with onions. Place onion in your pan. Since we are cooking pork, we're just going to use less oil just to fry our onion. And you wait until the onions zimeanza ku fry before you introduce your pork. Then you take your marinated pork, you introduce to your pan or your fryer with oil and onion. Make sure you cook in a very low heat for perfect results, and make sure your pork doesn't burn. So you're going to cook this pork this way with onions only for a few minutes until the pork is dried. Then we add tomato. It's almost dried up, so we're almost adding our tomato. When you add your tomato, make sure you mix them by stirring. And then at this point, we are going to simmer it to allow the tomato to cook for about 2-3 minutes. Just make sure that your tomatoes zimeiva vizuri, zimebondeka, they are mashed, imebakia paste or stew like. Yeah, that's when you add another thing. So I'm going to use Royco cube, and I'll use 2. There we go. Just added my Royco cube. So wow, it smells nice. We are going to simmer. We are going to simmer for about 1 minute, 2 minutes, just to get that moist. There we have it, guys. A poor man's pork that tastes expensive. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. So at this point, if you like or you want to eat with greens, you can cook your greens different or aside, or you can decide to add. For me, I want to make pork with kales, and so I'm going to add my kale. And this is what 200 shillings can make you for lunch. So I bought 150 shillings pork, 20 shillings kales, 20 shillings tomato, and I bought 10 shillings onion. Plus I bought 10 shillings Royco cube. So roughly 210 shillings. What 210 shillings can make you for lunch. And this delicious, delicate delicacy meal I'm going to enjoy with ugali or sima. People in Bongo, Mombasa, they call it sima. In Nairobi and the countryside we call it ugali. So I'm going to add salt. Add your salt and mix well. This is our dry pork with kales. In our series, guys, this is our episode 2. So up next, check out for episode 3. Thank you guys for watching. I'm yours truly and truly, Jayuga. And keep it quick one, homemade. Quick one, homemade. Simple, nice and easy. Catch up with me every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for weekly food inspirational videos. Tell me where you are watching from in the comment section. Bye bye.